Class of 2020. Nothing like graduating through Skype to validate almost 13 years of your life dedicated to some meaning. You know what? I digress. Congrats! You just graduated and are now considering buying your first new car. You want something that's cheap, gets good gas mileage, is fun and easy to customize, and most of all, is reliable. And that last one automatically excludes all Mustangs and Camaros. Sorry, boys. Oh, there's one more thing. Almost like an adult version of having a tooth fairy visit you, your parents miraculously seem to have an extra $1,200 in the bank. What's a young boy slash girl slash he she slash it slash thing slash he her slash Apache helicopter or whatever you young kids identify with these days? Well, I have just the cars for you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is before you buy a Honda Civic EG and EK hatchback. All joking aside, both the EG and EK hatches are nothing to laugh about. Unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you look at it, a lot of you didn't have the chance of growing up at the peak of fast and furious car culture. I'm talking about the late 90s to early 2000s when the above mentioned cars were kings of the street. These cars became legends because they were cheap and easy to modify. I'm talking about muscle car killers, Corvettes, Mustangs, Camaros, you name them.
What we got in here?
Stock GSR with a header and a fucking PVC pipe intake. That's how I roll.
And CJ's in a 91 hatchback. And that's a 2000 Cobra.
All for cheaper than an Asian massage with a happy ending on a Monday morning afternoon. First, let's start with the basics. And I'm going to keep it real with you guys. We'll start with the EG hatchback that ran from 1991 to 1995. For both gens, you're gonna want to go with the manual version because they made the most power stock. And by power, I'm talking about an earth-shattering earth-shattering 102 horsepower. Now, 9 out of 10 times, you're going to run into a DX model, which is perfectly fine. I'll touch base with that in just a minute. Now, the EG hatches were light, coming in almost under 2,000 pounds. Gas mileage was ridiculous. Actually, it was anywhere between 44 to 51 mpgs. And now, moving on to the Super Saiyan version of the EG hatch, the EK hatchback. Produced from 1996 to 2000, it now used an all-new single overhead cam 16-valve D16Y7 engine. The new engine bumped the horsepower significantly from the older gen and went from making 102 and now made 106. Okay, yeah, they're both slower than molasses on a Canadian winter, but that's not what makes these cars special. It's the potential to mod them and do it cheaply that makes these cars ideal for any beginner just getting into the hobby. Keep in mind, this doesn't even count using a cheap eBay turbo kit. I'm talking about bare bones, ramen noodle college kid type mods that make a huge difference for these hot hatches. Mods like weight reduction, especially removing the heavy ass rear seats, cold air intake, a power steering delete, straight pipe exhaust, an AC delete, and some high flow cats or 4-to-1 headers, and upgraded ignition components like spark plugs, rotor, distributor, etc. I can literally sit here for hours telling you about all the cheap starter mods you can do to a Civic, but I'll leave that for another video. The point is, before you get into some kind of lease or finance trap with a new car, hop on your local Craigslist or marketplace and get yourself a Civic. You won't regret it. Yeah, unlike that happy ending I talked about earlier. Oh God, that was just a basket full of butt plugs and regret. Don't do it.